Yo, what's good? So it's a Wednesday night. It's obviously, this is very random. I thought I'm gonna do some midweek malkak. So this would be episode 1 of midweek malkak. Stupid. But yeah, right now I'm sitting on the R300. I'm waiting for a friend of mine, Ulrich. I've mentioned him before with his beautiful Nighthawk Black Type R. And we are about to go and drive. So that is going to be very, very interesting to do, firstly at night, and to do in the like at night in the middle of the week. It's going to be tough. We're going to take it easy. I'm not someone who really likes to take extreme risks like that, you know. It's fun to drive and everything, and it's fun to drive your car. I mean, these cars are meant to be driven. I'm still trying to go home tonight to my loving girlfriend and my cat. So I don't have any plans of trying to drive off of the mountain. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do more of these. We won't do the same thing every week per se, but I'm still gonna try though. I feel like I should be challenging myself creatively a little bit more. So we'll see how this plays out and if this even gets posted, because you know, everyone's their own worst critic. So we'll see what happens. So we are about to meet up with a new friend of mine on Instagram. I'll have his Instagram here. You might know him as Toge I30, and he's going to be showing us the ropes tonight as to how to take the corners and like where you can go a bit better than on others. So yeah, like I said, we're not trying to go hard. We're just trying to have some fun, some pros, having some fun, stop, have a conversation, you know. We're not trying to run off the mountain or anything funny like that. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when Ulrich comes past. We finally got Ulrich. He's there at the back. Probably can't see him. So yeah, one thing that I think I probably need to address before I start chilling on this road trip is the fact that everyone has been telling me to put an exhaust on this car. Like, guys, I know. Okay, it's the one thing I wish I could do, but this car is on a motor plan, so that means I'm not allowed to do fun stuff to it. Not yet. So yeah, I'm not trying to compromise my motor plan by putting mods on my car. And I mean, like, it's fine sounding, it's soft, but like, I mean, if I do that and a little bit of this, you know, that's fine. That's fun. So yeah, we'll get an exhaust. Just give me time. Slow and steady wins the race, always.
So you've seen hoe organic dit actually.
Dis 'n VWL Sentra. Okay, so we are live. We're gonna see what happens. So we've got Nick leading, and then we have another new friend, Hashira, with a Nissan Sentra, and then I'm gonna be, and we've got another guy in a Miata. I'm gonna be behind the Miata, but in the FL5 behind me. Here we go. Don't know this road very well. I'm not gonna go as fast. I'm just cruising. lot of blind corners on this road. It's very scary at night. These oaks are gone. They are so fast.
En nou terugtrek.
Was dit jou foon?
Kant.
Ja, ons maak 'n
hy behoort
MacGyver
om nou
mount
te
hier
keer
so
dat
bra
het voor
met,
is.
met die fucking
Seatbelt.
seatbelt. Oh hey, daai gaan werk. Daai gaan werk. Okay, so our first run was a bit of a mess. The camera mount fucking fucked around. So now we made a MacGyver like you saw in the previous clip. We made a MacGyver with a seatbelt. It should work now. I'm not gonna push it too hard. I just want to have some fun. So let's see. Hopefully you can enjoy these clips. on the straights. Don't want to go too fast, obviously. There's no point in going fast in the straights. I want to get my cornering better. So, more focused on trying to focus when I'm driving in the actual corner than trying to go fast in a straight line. Just want to feel the car, know what the car is doing, know what I need to do. Got a bit of wheel squeal. So yeah guys, here's this i30N tow game monster. This guy has been beaming on this mountain. The car sounds absolutely insane. And a good old Sentra. Marius Bester will appreciate this. He probably knows this guy. Yeah, this i30 man, it's super cool. Like, why would you even buy a GTI if you can have this? I would much rather have this than a GTI every day of the week. And then the FL5, doing FL5 things, looking ominous in black. The homies talking about the course. This Miata is like absolutely fucking planted. Look how dark it is. This Miata, insane. And then got a good old E46, and then me driving like a little bitch at the back. So yeah, fun night, definitely a fun night.
Okay, sorry.
Is donker hier buiten? So yeah, just like that, we're back home in one piece, thankfully. That was absolutely insane. It was epic, to say the least, you know. I love driving my car, and then also driving with like-minded people is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that was a really, really, really good experience. Massive thank you to Nick for inviting myself and my buddy Ulrich out. That was amazing. We are for sure going to probably go and do that again sometime. So yeah, if you watched the whole video, thank you for watching. I don't know if this is going to be posted. I don't know if any of the footage came out right. So we'll see. If everything goes well, then this is obviously going to be posted. And yeah, let me know in the comments, what did you like, what didn't you like? Did I drive kak? Did I drive kwai? What can I do better? Let me know, please. I would appreciate that. And then yeah, man, just wherever you are and whatever you're doing, if you have a cool car or a normal car, doesn't matter. Like, just remember that we are all very blessed to be able to do what we are doing, in the sense of just enjoying our cars. We are blessed beyond measure just to be able to enjoy our cars and to be able to like go do things like we are right now, or like we did right now. So just keep that in mind the next time you think it might be going bad. So yeah, shot. See you on the next one.